welcome back to another episode of One Meal a Day Modified. So today what I decided to do is try out something different with rice bowls. One of the things I wanted to do is see how you can make them fun. So I actually created a rice bowl bar. If you want to see that in a future video, please leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up real quick. So what I did is I actually used ground beef, ground turkey, and also ground tofu, so that there were 3 different options, and put out some veg and some rice, as well as some other, little accoutrements like the black sesame seed, white sesame seed, crushed red pepper, etc., etc. I mean, I had out maybe, I'm going to say 12 different options so that folks could put together their own rice bowls for dinner tonight. So what I did is I put this together as my rice bowl, and I actually have ground beef. I had 2 different types of rices. One is almost like a Hispanic style yellow rice, and the other one is my classic blend, as I've been calling it. I gave it a nickname, with my basmati, brown rice, red rice, and wild rice. And it is so good. So that's what I put in as my rice option. Then I put in some red bell pepper, some scallions, some shallots. I topped it off with, I don't know if you can really see that, but peanuts, crushed peanuts. So yes, that was one of the options. I had the sesame seed out, but also crushed peanuts, which I actually hulled and crushed in my mortar and pestle by hand. And then there were some extra spices if you just want to do like an extra sprinkle on top of your food. Oh, and I also have garlic in mine. So yeah, that was awesome. And then I am also having some fruit, and this is the Dole 100% natural fruit. And what you see are peaches and pink grapefruit. And the good thing, going back to that, the good thing about their fruit options is that there is no syrup. This is the actual natural fruit juice. And of course, a little green salad, which is, pretty typical, nothing special. It's literally lettuce, onion, bell pepper, because that's what I had left in the house. And yes, I'm having some ginger ale. Yep, that's what that is. And I don't even know if there's real ginger in the ginger ale anymore, so I'm going to start using this other option from Trader Joe's. They have a ginger ale that's seasonal, which sucks. It's seasonal. But they also have a ginger beer, which I'm going to be trying. And the lady at the store said it's really good. But yes, so you can actually have fun with your 1 meal a day options. Or if you're not doing 1 meal a day and you simply want to lose weight and have, you want to enjoy your food. One of the issues that people become overweight is because food becomes an anchor. For whatever reason, an anchor of happiness, sadness, some sort of manicness, boredom, hobby, because you like to eat out a lot, so it becomes just like almost a hobby to you. Of course, we need food to live, so why not make sure that the food is also alive and fun with us? So having a rice bowl bar, a taco bar, but versus using tacos that were fried in oil, the shells, use the soft taco shells or use some that were baked so you can still get that crispiness. There's a lot of options. A sandwich bar is fun. Just make sure that you use like sandwich rounds instead of thick pieces of bread. and then lay out an entire like mini buffet of healthy options. So even if people do eat a little bit more, they're eating healthier and they're probably not getting anywhere near as many calories as they think. So I am going to enjoy my rice bowl. I can't wait. It's full of nutrition, and I need it because Maya and I went out on a hike today, and those hills were definitely a challenge because I was like, we're going to do this X number of times and we're going to keep going. And then, I mean, my little dog, I almost had to pick her up to bring her back home because she was so tired. And also it was like sunny, even though it was like kind of cool. So I think, you know, it was a good idea to come back when we did. And she took a nice long nap, got up, had a snack. I always give her some protein after we go for a walk. And she's happy as a pig in a blanket. So thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of One Meal a Day Modified. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Please feel free to share, especially if you're in a group and people are looking for meal solutions. They're looking for decent advice, you know, to maybe help get them over a hurdle, or if they have questions as to why. Take care and remember that health is wealth.